And a grandmother on year 2 of a fight to care for her granddaughter. That granddaughter placed in foster care. And I-Team investigative reporter Kylie McGivern has been bringing us the stories of unmarried fathers in Florida fighting against private adoption agencies for custody, or at least the right to see their children. And all new tonight, Kylie is showing us the struggles that grandparents now face to keep their children with their family.
At a Tampa Bay area park, Karen Kwiatkowski wishes she was able to kiss her granddaughter. Instead, in the moments before our cameras rolled, she kissed her cross necklace.
And I pray to bring my granddaughter home more than anything.
Kwiatkowski's son's girlfriend gave up her parental rights. Kwiatkowski has been fighting for nearly 3 years to adopt her granddaughter.
Back in April of 2021, I was at work, got a phone call. Told me to get to Florida as soon as possible before my granddaughter goes into foster care. I picked up and left.
She drove from Georgia. Still, her newborn granddaughter went into the state's care.
It's been chaos. It's been torture. I mean, I've been going through parenting classes, drug testing, IQ tests, getting divorced, trips back and forth from Georgia. I moved to Florida again for 7 months, tried to establish residency. And they were saying, well, he can kick you out at any time. It's not a stable environment.
Kwiatkowski bought a home in Georgia with a room waiting for her granddaughter.
And this way there will be no objections. Well, this is my house now. But now I moved past the background check. Now it was where I live, that I was living in Georgia. What does it make a difference where I live? As long as I'm a stable person to bring my granddaughter up.
Kwiatkowski's granddaughter knows she's grandma through visits.
She grabs my hand and says, "No, Grandma, this way." She called me Grandma. I was just the love.
And videos.
Grandma misses you so much. Big, big hugs. Big hugs.
Family's a gift, and we got to cherish it.
On top of hiring an attorney, Kwiatkowski has contacted everyone she can think of.
Dates and times that I spoke to people and nobody getting back to me.
State and local reps, congressmen.
I mean, I can see if they got a really good reason, like if I beat a child or sexually abused a child or kidnapped somebody. But I'm a good mom and I'm a good grandma.
We contacted the Department of Children and Families to ask what the agency's process is for reaching out to family members before placing a child into foster care, what criminal record would prevent someone from adopting a child, and about the case, as records are not made public. DCF says because of that, the agency is not able to respond to specific case questions. DCF says it tries to keep families together whenever it is possible and safe according to state law. What we did find is that for releases to a child's parent, there are no offenses that automatically disqualify the parent, regardless of whether the offense was committed by the parent or a household member.
My organization has been following Florida child welfare for 23 years.
Richard Wexler is the executive director of the National Coalition for Child Protection Reform.
If children genuinely cannot stay with their own parents, research is overwhelming. The best option is extended family. That is vastly better than strangers.
I know there's probably a lot of other families that for some reason gave up. It got too hard. I am never going to give up. I can't. She's my granddaughter. She's my family.
With photojournalist Randy Wright, I'm I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern taking action for you.